Hey everyone, it's Kim Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with entry number 26 for the Pockets Challenge. And this is from the very lovely Annie, who is RosiePosy Crafts here on YouTube. Hey Annie, it arrived. So thank you so much for entering, Annie. I'm very excited. And you're going to find the link to Annie's channel in the description box below. So I've opened up your package here. So let's just pull this all out. And I see there's a card right on top, and it looks like Annie has made her envelope. She has lots and lots of skills, does Annie? Okay, let's see here. Oh, I love this paper. Oh my gosh, look at this card, you guys. Love this paper too, Annie. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Oh. Look at the bling and beautiful embossed card. I love the pink glitter and the little ribbon flowers and the leaves she's die cut there. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh, I love it. Now how? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the inside. Look at this. It opens like that, so you can sit it like this. Oh, Annie, that's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And look at the little butterflies she's got on here too. It's the most delicate little lace butterfly there. And she's got tiny little pearls. And then she's got kindred spirits here with some bling. I love this glitter paper here. I love that. That is so sparkly. I love it. Oh, Annie, it's so pretty. I love it. And there was a little note inside. It says, "Hi Kim, just a note of thanks for hosting this lovely challenge. I hope you like what I've made for you and you can use them in your journals. Good luck to everyone who's taking part. Huge crafty hugs, Annie, aka RosiePosy Crafts." So yes, and Annie just had a challenge on her channel, and that's actually how I met Annie, was through her challenge. So this is such a great way to meet new people, is to participate in challenges. So I have a new friend in Annie now. So thank you, Annie. I love this card. It's just gorgeous. And this is her entry, and she's wrapped it in this really pretty silver gray tissue paper with a gorgeous pink satin bow. I love silver gray and pink together. It's one of my favorite color combinations. Oh, this is so pretty. Thank you for this gorgeous satin ribbon, Annie. That's very sweet of you. And I will reuse this really pretty tissue paper as well. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Oh, Annie, this is beautiful. Look at this. I love this. Now, I think it goes that way, maybe? I don't know, but I love it. Look at this. She's done it in like a wallet style. Oh my gosh. And she's made this beautiful flower here. And she's got a little Eiffel Tower and bling. I can tell you love bling, Annie. And she's got a little heart charm up here. And gorgeous laces here with flat back pearls and a little fan. Oh, I love this image. What did you print that on, Annie? You'll have to tell me what you printed that on. I love the feel of that. Oh, I just love that image. It's like Paris at nighttime. It's just beautiful. And she's even got some stickles on here too to make it glittery. And she's used this beautiful fabric here. It's like a floral linen. And then she's got more trim going up the sides here and more flat back pearls. Oh, Annie, it's so pretty. I just love that image. Oh, and I love that you've got this little trim going along the edge here too. And she's used Velcro Oh, look at the image there with the bird. I love this fabric, Annie. Love it. Oh my goodness, and she's hand sewn that image on there too. Or the bling. Oh, she's hand sewn the bling on. Oh, the attention to detail, girl. Wow. Beautiful. And look at this little trim here. I love this fabric. Oh, it's so pretty. And I think she's put something inside here. Oh my gosh. Jasmine scented sachet. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I love that smell. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. Thank you, Annie. I'm going to put that in my lace drawer so my laces smell pretty. Oh, I love Jasmine. Thank you so much. And look at this tag she's made. And it says dream on it. Aw. And look at the bling she's done here. These are flat backs, and she's gone around the edge with some gold bling on them. Love the paper. I love tags. Oh, Annie, it's so pretty. And look, she's made a little flower, and she's got this soft pink feather here. I love marabou feathers. I'm out of them at the moment, but I'll have to get some. But I love this feather. And then she's got a little trim down here and the tiniest little pink flat back bling there. Super tiny. And then another very tiny trim going up the side here. I love how you did the bling with the flat backs. And I love the pattern too. This will be great in a journal, or I just might hang it in my room here because I love the bling. So I may keep that for myself actually and not use it in a journal. I think it's really pretty. Thank you, Annie. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, she sent me a Paris image. Look. Oh my gosh, Annie, I'm going to use that on an upcoming project very soon. I love the Paris in the springtime theme, and she's used, it's all in pinks. And again, what have you printed this on? Is this one of the iron-on transfers, I wonder? I love it. I love the color. Look at the cherry blossoms there. Annie, this is beautiful. Thank you. I am definitely going to use that very, very soon. I love that. Thank you so much, Annie. You're just the sweetest. And look at this beautiful pocket again. Absolutely, whoops, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the fabric. I love the birds. Really pretty. Thank you so much, Annie. Oh my goodness. And then she's done one. Oh, this is like a blue, almost like a velveteen. Oh, it's incredibly soft. Oh, and you did it in my favorite colors, Annie. Thank you. She's got a beautiful applique here with all these blue pearls, and I think she may have sewn those on. And then she's got this beautiful trim here with the pearls, and then this silver braided trim going down the side. I love blue and white and silver together. And then she's got blue flat backs here. Oh, it's so pretty. I wish you could feel how soft this fabric is. Super pretty. Oh, I love it, Annie. Thank you. And she's Velcroed it. And then she's got another applique here, and then she's gone across the top with that same trim and more pearls. And yeah, she did sew that on. I love the Velcro. That's awesome. Thank you, Annie, for that, because things don't fall out. And she's made a couple more little tags in here. Oh my goodness, Annie, you're the sweetest. Oh, look at this. I love this heart. Now, did you make that? Yes, you did somehow make that. I love how you did this heart here, Annie. That is so pretty. And just the tiniest little has come off there, so I'll just pop a tiny bit of glue on there, hun, so no worries about that. But look at the heart. Oh, it's gorgeous. And it has the word love. And I love, these are nice and thick tags too. They're super sturdy. And she's got some flowers, which I suspect that you made these flowers. The word love and this little heart trim going up the side. This is beautiful. And then she's got another little tag she made here that says journey. And more bling, tiniest little lace there. Look how tiny that lace is. And some flat backs and more handmade flowers and a die cut leaf, and it says the word journey. Excuse me. Look at how pretty these are. Absolutely gorgeous. And they will just tuck in the pocket here, which I absolutely love. My pockets, Annie. Thank you so much. These are beautiful. Look at those guys. So you will find the link to Annie's channel in the description box below. Please go over and subscribe to her. She's the sweetest and kindest lady, and super talented and lots of fun. So thank you so much, Annie, for all the little extra goodies. I love the image. Your pockets are beautiful, and your card is absolutely stunning. I love it. So please go over and show Annie some YouTube love, guys, and the link is in the description box, and I will be back soon with another video. Take care, everybody. Bye. Thank you, Annie. Bye.